On today's first look, we have a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle custom convertible. Tyler Hoovey from Hoovey's Garage is here to help us, and April Rose. You know them both from our broadcast, both fellow gear people, and we love that they come in our studio and help us talk about some of the cars that you'll see roll across the block live on FYI and History Channel.
Well, we're both in love with this.
Oh yeah.
Let's just dive right into it. So it rides on Ride Tech suspension. It's got 20-inch wheels on it. Those are all the things you see, you know, from looking at the nuts and the bolts of it. But let's open up the hood. The workmanship on this car is really nice.
Yeah. Supercharged LT4 under the hood, matching the car. Of course,
matching the car with a 10-speed automatic and a Ford 9-inch in the rear.
Yes, and you can see the presentation on these Restomods. Unbelievable. In this one, everything tucked away underneath these fender covers here, but then everything you see is polished or painted to match the car and done to such a high degree of quality.
Front runner system. Car has vintage air. I love the billet hinges that it has on it.
Yes.
Power brakes. It is a full power car. The way they ran the air intake so it gets fresh air into it. Aluminum radiator, you know, just a nice job. And cold air induction coming in from, you know, the under the fender
how
here.
they painted it inside too to match this beautiful powder blue, oyster white stripes.
I like the little touch, supercharged.
Right.
You know, you look around the car, the door handles, how they flushed them in. It is really clean, laser straight. Gaps are wonderful on the car. Great paint job. And, you know, underneath, it's got all the right components. It's got the headers lead into ceramic coated exhaust that goes all the way out the back.
So they didn't go white on this.
No, it's oyster
No, it's
gray,
oyster.
which matches the interior. Got sort of this honeycomb style perforated headrest. I love the chrome inset here. Leather wrapped wheel, leather wrapped dash, Dakota digital gauges, and these are power windows. I mean, they went over the
Power
top.
top.
Power top.
We just put it down.
Gorgeous.
Top was up. Bluetooth, stereo, kicker speakers. You know, the list goes on and on. The I Did It column. It has all the right stuff on it. The workmanship is amazing that they did on this car.
Well, the nice thing is they drive as good as they look when they're
Yeah,
this
they
done
do.
out.
They stop. You know, you got Wellwood 6 pistons up front here on these 20-inch billet wheels. And the best part, this beautiful resto mod Chevelle will be selling at no reserve at our Scottsdale Fall Auction, October 15th through the 18th at WestWorld of Scottsdale. You could pick up this beautiful ride and take it home, and that's exactly what we're gonna do now. And in fact, maybe we'll take it out for a little cruise.
That's a great idea. Oh yeah.
Here we go.
This is what Barrett-Jackson's all about.
Yep, all right, good choice. Pretty area.
Yeah.
This is awesome. It
Craig,
rides wonderful.
What's your favorite year for the Chevelle? Is it 1970?
70.
Because the looks are so good, and of course the quad headlight that went away in 71. I think this is a classic body style.
It's the best. I like 69 in Camaros, 70s in these. 68s are not. I like 67, 8, 9 Corvettes.
What's so nice about Restomods is they're so reliable. You don't have to worry about it starting every day, driving it, cornering it. Everything is perfection.
Well, who doesn't want an LS6 454? But this thing would be just a touch faster.
Yep. And you take it to the dealership.
Well, geez, we're thinking it's 1970. This thing's got
Air.
air. There we go. Ah, yeah.
There we go.
Woo! There it goes.
Yes! Oh yeah!
Yeah.
That'll get you to work on time. What's the biggest car you regret selling?
Probably my 250 short wheelbase Cal Spider. Although I didn't fit in it. I drove it like a lurch. I was like, yeah, I'm not driving this 1,000 miles. It sold for 20 million. I sold it for $1.2 million. Bought it from the original owner. Yeah. But I didn't fit in it. But it would have been a cool car to keep in the collection.
That's how I felt about my Countach. Loved it. It couldn't fit. They give me this haircut, this flat top, like I was from the 80s.